factories are bustling hubs of activity, where raw materials transform into finished products. It's a symphony of machines and manpower. At the heart of this operation are the unsung heroes, the fitters. They are the backbone of the manufacturing world, the specialists who install, maintain, and repair the complex machinery that drives production. Without them, factories would grind to a halt. Their work is critical, ensuring smooth operation and the timely delivery of goods. The role of a fitter is multifaceted. They need a unique blend of skills, including mechanical aptitude, problem-solving, and physical strength. They decipher complex blueprints, manipulate heavy components, and troubleshoot mechanical issues. A fitter's job is demanding, both physically and mentally. A fitter's day is rarely predictable. One moment they might be installing a new assembly line. The next, they could be repairing a malfunctioning robotic arm. Their responsibilities are diverse, demanding adaptability and a broad skill set. Precision is paramount in a fitter's work. They work with tight tolerances, ensuring components fit perfectly. A minor miscalculation can have major consequences, potentially leading to production delays or even safety hazards. Fitters use specialized tools and measuring instruments to achieve accuracy in their work. Fitters need physical strength and stamina. They often handle heavy machinery parts and work in awkward positions for extended periods. Safety is crucial, you know. Fitters must adhere to strict safety protocols to prevent injuries. The impact of a fitter's work extends beyond immediate repairs. They play a crucial role in maximizing factory output. By ensuring machinery runs smoothly, they prevent costly downtime and optimize production efficiency. Fitters are also guardians of workplace safety. They identify potential hazards, implement preventive measures, and ensure machinery operates safely. Their work protects fellow workers from accidents and injuries. The future of fitting is evolving alongside technology. Automation and robotics are changing the manufacturing landscape. Fitters need to adapt. They must acquire new skills. They need to understand and maintain increasingly sophisticated machinery. The demand for skilled fitters will remain high. Their role in the manufacturing industry is vital.